Sarah, you got this.
Guys, we're training.
Last time only 3 of us did it. Me, Sarah, and my sister.
Should I do it? Actually,
Yeah. Do it.
Sophia, are you gonna crawl on the ground now?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
I didn't want to be the last one again.
There we
Sophie,
go.
you're gonna be last.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Unless, like, the adults come.
Being the last one in the dark, kind of creepy.
Yeah.
I think
It's okay. Sophia, strong.
Where do I even go?
I can use my cat eyes.
You gotta lay down all the way. That's it.
I forget how, like, I got in this, like, forever ago. You gotta, like...
Should I go the other way?
You wouldn't have a buddy. Unless you buddy
I'll
with
go
an
with you if
adult.
you want. You want me to go the other way with you?
I don't want to pressure you into doing something you're not
Is it good
prepared
there?
for, but you should do it.
How
It's
far is it?
20 feet.
It's not that bad.
It's like
It's
four
like
of your
three or
height.
4 of me, yeah.
It's like 4 of your height.
If you're with somebody down there, it's a lot easier.
If you what?
With somebody.
Oh.
Being by yourself down there, it's
You
not.
got this.
You got it.
We'll be right behind you.
You can go.
You just go.
You
in
go
and then
somewhere. You go
You have
somewhere.
to lay down all the way.
fall. All the way.
That's it.
How long should I wait until?
Just till her feet disappear.
That's
You can
scary.
hear them,
No, wait,
but like,
no, she's not coming.
right,
There
like,
she
you can't
goes.
tell how
You can
far
hear them
they
through the
are.
walls.
And like which direction sometimes. it's
I
coming
forgot how like awkward this is to get in there. Like. I forgot how.
I'm waiting to see what
Did
the
you
other
get
option-
taller since last time?
Yeah.
I think so. You're
I
a lot
think
taller.
it's been like 3-4 inches taller.
Yeah.
In the
Okay.
past 2
Wow,
years.
wow.
All right, that'll be a little bit-
such a brag.
So
A
like,
little bit harder, but that's okay. You gotta
how
have
do I like
put
get
your
my
feet up.
legs?
out of the
Like,
hole.
Too bad.
Lay down and, with your feet up.
like.
Like
Go
bend
on
your
your
Yeah.
knees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Head first.
Oh.
Yeah, you
How am
got
I
it.
gonna
You got it. You got it. That's it.
Yes, sir, Bola.
Backpack.
That's the hard part. The rest of it's easy.
What's the other option?
That way.
I don't want to be the only one going that way.
When should,
Go
I
that
feel-
way.
when should I go?
I feel like you got
Should I go?
experience.
I know.
After
That's
all,
I know. That's
why
why I'm like, I'm here. I should just do this.
Mine's like on my front pocket.
If I'm like on my stomach, I'm gonna like squish it. Hey, Sophia.
Hello.
My knee pads are falling down.
Guys, this is tough.
This is hurting my ear. It's like the thing is caught on my earring.
Guys, like, you're supposed to use your arms, not so much your leg.
Ugh, this stupid hole. My knee pads are
Once you get in here, like it's laying down is the hardest part.
Yeah, so I've kind of grown like 4 inches since I've done this Ollie crawl class. I was like, maybe like 5, 6 last time I did it, and now I'm 5'9".
Audrey, you done with it?
My backup light is dead. Like it doesn't work.
But your progress light's okay.
No, it's not because I can't see a thing.
It's on.
Audra, was army crawling fun?
That's yeah, we'll just hold
That
it a
hurt my
second.
arms.
I just used my arms. I didn't really use my. They were just kind of dragging. Here, I want to scoot right here.
What?
So last time I did that, I was like maybe 5'6", 5'7".
The knee pads are sledding.
Sarah, Kay, what happened? They're singing Hey Papa
Oh,
That is banned from the cave.
It's not a meeting. Where's the other guy?
everything's green when you guys make it.
Ow!
Look how cool. Don't touch it. It looks so cool. Oh, no. No. Stop. Bro. You just ruined the vibe.
You could have taken the alternative passage that looks really pretty, but yeah, I could fit through there. I didn't trust it.
Okay,
Yeah, I didn't trust it.
can we go?
Are you good?
Are we going this way?
Would you like to back out?
I'm already at the end.
Do you need help?
Are we going out that way? All right.
Is the Allen guy behind?
Did he say turn left?
Because my
He said turn left, right?
You said turn left?
Did he?
where is it? Mommy, I couldn't see a thing. And this doesn't work. Hey, smile.
Wait, do you remember if he said turn left or turn right? We didn't hear anything in the back. How are we supposed to
He
know?
just said,
Just wait for him to come.
he just said, come here until you can stand. That's better. Okay, yeah.
I got it.
Where?
Just wait. Just wait.
Martins, you're great for doing this with a backpack. Yeah. Miss Martin, can you do the army crawl? She's doing it right now.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Maybe I should have done it now that you guys have done it. Here, I can take the backpack. Can you shine your light on her when she comes out?
My knees hurt.
Picture. The backpack. Miss Martin, was it worth it?
Ask me when I'm out.
Was it worth it?
So worth it.
Do we go left or right? Yes, that's your mom. What? Let me see. What? Mom. Mom.
Such little faith you have in me.
Well, I almost didn't do it. Ask the question. Are we going left or right? Left or right?
Guys,
Not
just
yet.
wait.
Just
Wait. Patience is the key, guys.
If you guys want to come down here for more space.
We gotta go that way. Which one? That one.
No, come here. Just real quick.
Why?
Which way are we?
That way. I think I remember. Children! Guys! Don't yell. This way. But we gotta go this way. Now, let's keep the volume down.
Didn't we already go that way?
Are we coming this way now?
Yeah.
Is the Allen guy in there?
Yeah, where is he?
You got your buddies, right?
Yeah.
Is everyone coming this way?
You see the light. Okay.
I see light at the end of the tunnel.
Yep. Okay.
Without the embarrassing.
Look how cool this tunnel is. Look how cool this tunnel is. Don't go so fast, Nick.
Yeah, you can go better. Just like, when we got to like this wide. Wait, why are we going back around? You know this leads to the place we came from, right?
Yeah, but we need to find the girl.
Guys, this is my second time.
There's a couple more. Come on.
I know.
Guys, be careful. It's slippery.
Down there. There's a hole.
This is my second part, so I'm not like this part.
That's the way that Peyton and I went when everyone else was dropping. Yeah, you guys came this way.
Yeah, and then we moved right.
Wait,
Don't rush through the front. You gotta stay with your buddy.
Here's your stove.
I'll show you your stay with your buddy. Okay,
Yes.
go ahead.
Is it your lights?
What?
Yours? Okay, come over here.
I can't see.
Wait, is my light working, Mr. Allen?
Yes, it is. Yes, yours is pretty bright actually.
Hello? Yeah, yours is really bright. Can you hold this, Sarah?
I can.
Wait.
Oh my god, I see two. Guys, keep
not
your
yellow,
volume
okay?
down.
There's bats. We don't want to wake the
You've
bats.
got the,
Also, it's just really annoying.
And it's
Echoey.
how kind you are.
I already have a headache. And Guys,
sit
down. Someone sit down.
Benny, where'd you buy the sausages from?
It's Aldi.
I love those sausages.
You should have been like hurting me.
That was me thinking about it. I could have gotten to like 5 of them, bro. I had so much money.
You should have.
Guys, anybody bring water and
Sure, about
my
10.
house on your list?
I want my electrolytes.
Next time I got you. Guys,
I'm gonna get a lot.
I'm gonna get chicken.
I'm gonna get chicken wings, and I'm gonna get a crimpet, and I'm gonna get like so much candy. Don't even know. That's what's pulling me through this cave. The food. Oh, it looks like some of them broke right there. Yeah. Because there was people coming in here and not being careful. Hey guys. Guys, look. Everyone get in. Yeah, put your hand over your light.
Okay, that works. Here we are. Still can't see half of you guys.
Well,
I'm just gonna turn off my light for a second.
Well, you want to do a lights out?
thank you.
Oh,
Well,
doing lights out.
We just want to,
let's do lights out, guys.
everyone except for Hannah, so that there's like a light behind the camera.
Wait, how do I turn it off?
Okay, it's up. Press it.
Oh,
There
you're good.
Great.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Can you look up there real quick? 3, 2, 1. I think the only one is Sarah, because Sarah's too bright. Sarah.
Oh,
Turn off your light.
Okay.
Ready? 3,
what is this one?
No, you're good.
3, 2, 1. Mr. Wait, you're not in it. Okay, sorry. 3, 2, Sarah, you're walking. Okay, there. 3, 2. Yeah, there you go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. That's like the whole 10.
I'm pretty sure war paint on here.
Can we do it?
Sorry, I'm stepping on his foot. No, he doesn't. He don't like me. Look at him. He's angry. He's angry at me, bro. He's angry at you because you're too loud. Oh, that's crazy. What did you do to his war paint? Leave a note. He needs his war paint. No, it's war paint. No, don't give him a nose. He has war paint.
You didn't do it and I did.
He doesn't have war paint on his nose. Yeah, no, it's under his cheeks. It's on his cheeks, not his nose.
Alright.
It's on his cheeks. And that's his nose.
No, but you don't need to add a nose.
No, he doesn't. And how will he be able to breathe? Yeah, he does.
He has a mouth. Also, he's a ball.
No, he's not. He's a real boy. He's a real boy.
Okay, how'd you guys feel about that little crawl?
It was so much fun.
I liked it. I didn't do it. I wish I did, but I liked it, but I barely survived.
Barely survived.
I survived 100 bears alive.
Can we please put the mud down? Yes. Stop messing with the mud.
Guys, I regret not doing it.
Well, that's probably,
I don't regret not doing it.
that's a tight one. That is tighter.
Is it?
There are others, there's
It's a breaker.
others that are a little, not quite as bad.
Is that the hardest thing?
No.
No?
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm making my mark. What did you get?
I can always find a tighter
Leave
one.
no trace, Juliana.
Yeah.
Smiley face made out of wood.
Leave no
Need a
trace.
passage in here, there's gonna be a.
Come on, nobody should know you were here.
Guys, let's listen for
Okay, we're gonna go down this way, okay? Down there. We're going to climb over a big rock, climb down the other side of the big rock. You got to be very, very careful, okay? Because it's kind of sketchy, and I don't want you slipping and falling and going over the edge really fast. Once you get past it, there's a hole. That's a triangular hole about this big around, this big, okay? And what you're going to do is, as you're facing the hole, you're going to go in sideways with your back against the wall, okay? Feet first, both feet, and using your arms to lower yourself down in. It's not a very far drop. For me, it's only a waist height. Okay? And you're going to step down into there, and everybody's going to gather up into that room. If you don't want to do that, it's okay. Like I said, there's always another way. When you get down in there, okay, and you get down into that room, it's going to be big enough everybody can go in and stand up and kind of relax. There's a couple of things you can do in there. There's this one really long crawl that you can go down low and go in. It's an army crawl in. I'm just saying that you can't turn around till you get to the far end. So if you get in there and you decide you don't want to do it, you got to back out unless you go all the way in Then you can turn around, because it gets wider at the end, and come back out. It's usually a little bit muddy, which makes it kind of fun. You get to come out all slimy and dirty, which is why you have coveralls on. That's a fun little crawl. Now, when you're in there, you got to find your way out. You can't come back out the triangular way. That's the only rule I'm going to put down. Okay? Can't come back out the way you went in. There's 3 other ways to get out of there, and there's 2 of them that are not too bad. One is a shelf that's on that side, and then if you go all the way to the far, far, far back of the room, behind a rock, there's a place where you can squeeze by and go into the next hallway. Okay? And this is part of the exploration part. Okay? Is you're going to poke around till you find what it is you're going to do to get out.
Oh. Okay.
It's sort of, I guess, like an escape room, I guess.
Where's Judy? We need Judy.
I'm right here.
Okay?
Where's Sarah and Cian other and Penny? Won't be
Now,
our group of fun.
if you don't want to do it, it's okay.
Guys, volume down. Guys, let's be quiet.
If you don't want to do it, it's okay. I'm going to swing around and go to the front so I can get pictures of you guys grimacing trying to climb out of that hole. Okay? And that way I can put them up and you look real silly. Oh, wait a minute. That's the place I got to go find that bag. I'll do it from the top. Dropped it in the top. All right, go ahead. Now, when you're going down this rock, the first rock, spot each other going down.
Guys, please
Each other
listen.
going down.
Sarah, turn around.
Strong person up front.
Strong person. We got our strong person up front. We're too buff. Yeah. So buff. So jacked.
If you don't want to do it.
This is just the triangle, or?
The triangle's kind of tight and getting out to be a bear, but